Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to review the Huawei Mate X3, the Huawei's latest foldable phone that was launched in March 2023. How does it compare to the Google Pixel Fold and other foldable phones? Let's find out. So before starting the video, buying link is given in the video description and you can buy Huawei Mate X3 from Amazon. Alright. The Huawei Mate X3 has a 6.4-inch FHD Plus OLED display on the front that folds outward or to reveal a 7.85-inch OLED display on the back. The front display has 120Hz refresh rate and a 40-megapixel selfie camera, while the back display has a resolution of 2480 by 2200 pixel with no camera. The foldable display is very bright and sharp and it's like a mini tablet when you unfold it. The Huawei Mate X3 runs on Harmony OS 3.0, the Huawei's own operating system that is based on Android but without Google services. You can use Huawei App Gallery to download apps or use Petal Search to find apps for third-party sources. The software also supports multitasking and split screen mode on the foldable display. The Huawei Mate X3 is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 4G chipset, Qualcomm flagship processor that offers fast performance and gaming capabilities. It also has a 12 GB of RAM and either 512 or 1024 GB of storage, but no SD card included. The Huawei Mate X3 has a quad camera setup on the side of the phone that can be used as both rear and front cameras when folded or unfolded. The cameras include a 108 megapixel main camera, a 10 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 10 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom and a 12 megapixel depth sensor. The cameras are very impressive, especially the zoom lens that can capture distant objects with clarity and detail. The Huawei Mate X3 has 4800 mAh battery that supports 66 watt fast charging and reverse wireless charging. It also comes with a 66 watt fast charger in the box that can give you up to 80% charge in just 30 minutes. The battery life is good but not great. You can expect to get around 7 hours of screen on time on the foldable display or around 11 hours on front display. Well, I think it's very good foldable phone for enthusiasts who want to experience the best hardware and camera that Huawei has to offer. It has a stunning foldable display, a powerful processor and a versatile camera system. However, it is also very expensive, very heavy and not very durable. So if you are looking for a foldable phone that gives you an amazing viewing experience, photography experience, then the Huawei Mate X3 might be worth considering. But if you are looking for a more affordable and reliable phone that has access to Google services and apps, then you might want to look elsewhere. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Also let me know what you think of the Huawei Mate X3 in the comments below. See you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.